thunderstorm warning for South Central Harnett County, Western Cumberland County, Hope County, until 7 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles west of Pope Air Force Base to Wakulla, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Rayford, Fort Bragg, Antioch, Pope Air Force Base, Hope Mills, Spring Lake, Silver City, Rockfish, and Bowmore. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Cumberland, Harnett, and Hope. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a